Hi guys, Tech James here. In this video we will be discussing if the PS Vita running 3.65 to 3.68 H-encore custom firmware will be banned. So I've been doing quite a bit of research over this over the past 3 days because so many people on my channel have been commenting on my videos saying if my PS Vita has custom firmware installed, will it be banned? So I couldn't actually find anything online to suggest that you might be banned. Nobody's posted on Reddit, nobody's posted on YouTube. I couldn't even find any Twitter posts that suggest somebody has been banned for using a PS Vita with custom firmware installed. So my PS Vita is actually linked to my PlayStation Network account, and I've actually played backed up games like Street Fighter and Angry Birds, and I've actually got trophies in these games. So these trophies are actually on my main account, and I have never actually been banned for it. But there's a few things you can do to make sure you never get banned, because of course there always is a risk, but I don't think Sony will be putting the ban hammer on anyone just because the PS Vita is sort of discontinued right now. I'm not 100% sure if the console is discontinued, but I know it's the least of Sony's priorities. So there's a few things you can do to make sure you never get banned. The first one is just open up your system settings, and then you want to scroll down and look for the PlayStation Network setting. So if you just press X on this, as you can see, for me it says not signed in. So I've actually signed out because this is my main PlayStation Network account. I've had this account since probably like 2008, when I was really young, so I wouldn't want to lose this account or anything like that. But if I just go to sign in, it's going to ask me to sign in. So I'm completely signed out, which means any kind of trophies I get or anything won't go onto my account. And I'm not too bothered by that anyway, because my PS Vita is pretty much just for these videos. I honestly don't really play games on it that much. There is another thing you can do to stop your account from getting banned, but I wouldn't recommend this one, but it is something you can do. You can always disconnect from your Wi-Fi as well. I probably wouldn't recommend that because the Wi-Fi is quite useful, but it's just something you might want to do if you're kind of nervous on this sort of thing. Another thing you can do is turn on flight mode. This will just disable all Wi-Fi connection. This way you can play your games in flight mode, and then you will never, be suspected of playing backed up games or anything like that. So there's quite a few things you can do to make sure you never get banned, but I highly doubt anyone will be banned right now, because the custom firmware has been out since the 1st of July, and many people are using it, many people are playing backed up games, and nobody has actually commented on any of my videos to say they were banned. As I said before, I can't find any information to suggest that anyone was banned, so I'm pretty sure we're safe. Just like the PSP, Sony really don't care about it anymore. They're not making money off of it anymore. They've got other things to worry about, like the PlayStation 4 and the upcoming PlayStation 5. So yeah, I think all of us PS Vita users are pretty much safe. We don't have to worry about a ban or anything like that. If somebody does get banned, maybe I'll put it on my Discord server, or maybe even post it on Twitter, or maybe even my Instagram, so you can follow me on those if you wish. But yeah, as far as I know, nobody has been banned whatsoever. Nobody's PlayStation Network account has been banned, nobody's PS Vita MAC address has been banned. So yeah, we're pretty much safe. So that is pretty much it for this video. I just wanted to cover it because I've been getting so many questions on people asking, will they be banned? And the answer is, probably not. So if you guys enjoyed, make sure to like and subscribe, and I will see you guys in the next one.